said, "Bird, it's cold in here. It must be some toros in the atmosphere." Ugly. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta know to know that. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, we're good, Car Crew, man. It's your boy cari.beats once again, back with another video, aka POV. You feel me? It's cold, as y'all can see, man. It say 33 degrees. It's colder than that. It just say 33. It's like the wind blowing, so it really like 29. You know what I'm saying? 28. But it's 30 degrees. You know what I am? Early in the morning, POV drive, man. As y'all can see, in extremely cold weather. First time in the winter with the cat. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how she do. We're gonna get y'all a pull off the insta. I ain't gonna lie, that wine crazy though, when it cold. Let me see, hold on. I had to let the car warm up good, boy. Let me get one more. Okay. Stick 'em. Damn. Nigga, that was like 30-40% throttle. I ain't think that mother gonna push me back like that, I ain't gonna lie. Boy, that cold air. Look at what the cold air say. You know what I'm saying? What is that? 68. Crazy thing about it, bro. Your intake temperature only go down when your throttle body open. I had learned that. I thought it'd be going down just depending on how cold it is outside. But if you sitting stationary, bro, your temperature gonna be like 78, 80 degrees. Your intake temp. But as soon as you get a little gas and ride with that cold air going through that throttle body, that mother drop quick, like overly quick. Yeah, y'all can see, man, just a little light, you feel me? A little 1-2, hold on. Ooh, that exhaust popping a little bit, huh? It crazy, bro. I gotta get used to the cabin of a Challenger. Oh my goodness, y'all hit it? Of a Challenger. Listen to the pop, cuz. Hey, bro, that exhaust, bro, y'all probably can't hear it on the camera, but like, bro, in real lifetime, with that exhaust, bro, dang, but that heat choking my dumb ass. They can't even talk. You know, you ever put your face in the dryer trying to get your clothes out, and you be breathing with your mouth open, you be in that bit, oh, hold on now. That was just happening, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, yeah. But anyway, yeah, bro, that exhaust from the inside, it's not loud at all, but like, I could definitely tell the difference. Look at them vaping. Thought a nigga car was smoking, so much smoke came out their window. But yeah, like y'all hear, I know y'all hear a little bit, huh? I kind of hate that I did this muffler delete, and then it wasn't cold when I did it. In the next 2-3 days, it just get extremely cold out of nowhere. So I hope they did weld it pretty good. I hope the weld just stayed. Like me driving the day I got it done, before it got cold, and the day before it got cold, it settled pretty good. As far as the ceiling, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I just wanted to pick up the camera, really, to be honest. There may be one whole video, or it may get added to something else. Either way it go, though. You know what I'm saying? That nigga is flying a plane, cuz. Look at that. This nigga right above her. What wrong with his ass? What's wrong with that nigga, man? Shot a little sleepy over there. Let me give y'all boys a little 60 roll. I'm gonna wait till I get over the hill first. Stick 'em. Look at that. But that bitch spun. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Folk be capping by Hellcat, bro. Like, only thing about it, cause they spin, bro. But bro, the more I push the pedal down, cuz, like, you can hit it and it don't spin, but the more you gradually do this, the more them tires get to amping up, and then when you get to a certain throttle percentage, bro, that more you feel it like it's sliding, but it's still going straight. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to explain. But yeah, I just OD crazy. So I want to race a nigga when the weather like this. Sunny day like this. Cold as I don't know what outside. Come on, bro. You don't even want to do that. Come on, gang. This the best time to beat on your car and slide it. When it cold like that, your motor gonna stay cool. As soon as you stop hitting the gas and get about 2 minutes, them mother back to where it was. Back to start temperature, you know what I mean? Or not colder. But yeah, 180 thermostat probably go crazy in it weather. Your jump probably stay at 170. Probably think something wrong with the car. Oh, I gotta get over. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do that with a school bus. I don't like being behind school buses. I really don't. I ain't gonna lie. But Lord be with me. I'm just gonna get behind the school bus. Please go straight. That's all. That's what I like. Appreciate your home, but my arm hurt trying to record, bro. Oh, I said it's gonna be. I don't know what it is about recording the Charlie, bro. That just like it big, just like a charge on the inside, but bro, like I got my arm locking up in some more junk, boy. You got to record like this. No, my jacket not too little, man. My sleeve just rolled up. Oh man, y'all boy be trying to joke and get on y'all ugly ass. It's so different now, bro. 'Cause my car got this sauce, bro. So like, now I be kind of surprised when I be hitting the gas a little bit and hear that behind it. But yeah, man. This video ain't really too much talking about nothing. I'm not gonna hold you, but you know what I'm saying? The consistency of what matters. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, still gonna give y'all boy a good video. But I'm just recording this video because I just had a little urge to record. You feel me? Give me a little nice little POV in. Early morning POV. First day in the winter with the cat. You know what I mean? 30 degrees outside. Let me crack the window a little bit. I'm doing it for y'all, boy. It's so cold, bro. Window shouldn't even be down. Shouldn't even be thought about being down. How cold it is. Y'all boys a second gear pull. I know they finna spin. What is it? Damn. Camera don't do no justice, but that mug get a little loose. Oh man, what kind of blinker that is? That be white. I seen it flash. I thought that was just like the DRLs or something. I wish you could do that with Chargers. I mean, with these cars. Like change the color of your turn signals to white or any color you want it to be. Oh boy. Yeah, car crew, man. Like I said, this video ain't that, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's early in the morning, cuz it's 8:30. Nigga, 8:30, you ain't doing nothing but smelling like cheese in the bed. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm talking to you, nigga. My fault. You, nigga. But yeah, anyway, car crew. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna give y'all boys another little. One thing I do love too about the Hellcats, I love how they paddle shift is way taller. Obviously, you know, than the Scats. I don't know why they did that. Scats deserve to have big paddle shifters too. You know what I'm saying? But the fact that they did tall, cause you ain't gotta put your hand that far down the grass. You gotta have that mother down here with a Scat. You know what I mean? You can be up here and press that motherfucker. You know what I mean? Y'all hit on pops, nigga? Crazy. I wonder how niggas feel driving a Burble Tune Hellcat. I always thought that was just like for NA cars, unless it's like a turbo. When you get like the Burble Tune, it's different when your car shoot flames, cause like, you know, you fast and you know what I'm saying, you got boost and straight pipe and all that. Dang, minivan with windshield tint, that's different. Dang, Minivan with windshield tint, boy, I ain't never seen it. And that mother black on black on black. Black on black on black. Blackity black on black. Oh. That mother yellow. I made the yellow. Oh, y'all boy be. Oh, give me one. Only thing I missed though about the scat, bro, the aggressive downshifts. Even though this ain't even in sport, but still, oh my goodness, that mother popping, bro. That mother literally spun so bad I ain't even go nowhere. Like that mother spun that bad, my car, I literally felt the wheels. It did it again. Like I literally felt the wheels spin and like it's like they lift up and go back down the ground. Like that literally what it felt like the car doing. No lie. Man, yeah, man, I just want to give y'all boys a nice little early morning POV, man. Y'all boys don't boo me too bad. At least like the video, you feel me? At least. I know y'all don't like to comment on video, they be trash. But at least like the video, you know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 50 likes, 100 likes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all boy for all the support y'all boys do, man. No cap. You know what I'm saying? I really do appreciate every last one of y'all, man, because I'm just a regular nigga trying to, you know what I'm saying, make a way, you know what I'm saying, fulfill a dream, bro. I already fulfilled one piece of the dream, you know what I'm saying? I'm sitting in it, you feel me? Now y'all come into play, you feel me? Like, we're putting that dream together, you know what I'm saying? Damn. But the ambulance be coming through hot. You think they 12, boy, the kind of siren them nigga be using. But anyway, man, yeah, I appreciate y'all, boy, man. Y'all boy keep supporting. The support does not go unnoticed, bro. Every person. You know what I'm saying? I see it all, man. Probably can't talk to everybody, but I see it all in the best way I can. But also, man, from all my religious folk, man, y'all boy keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do, you feel me? Try your best to fix your bad habits. We not perfect. It ain't gonna happen overnight. But you know what I'm saying? Take time, just put in that forth effort and accepting him into your heart, you know what I'm saying? Knowing that he is who he is, you feel me? That's the most important thing. Then you work on, you know what I'm saying, fixing yourself at two at the same time. You feel me? But grandma, come on, grandma. Good Lord. You want McDonald's bad, don't you? I know. Y'all be coming to McDonald's early in the morning to get a 89-cent black coffee that you can get from the gas station or your house. Anybody can make black coffee. Bro, what is going on with Cud truck? This nigga, like, bro, it ain't that cold, nigga. But nah, man, y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Like y'all saying, man, all that good stuff, bro. Let me order my food, man. Y'all boy hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? And I'm out. Peace.